And you guys, we have just done something here. Hello, everyone. I am Deborah. Welcome to today's 7-minute cardio and strength training, where we are going to burn some calories and we are going to tone our muscles. Choose weights that are going to challenge you. Just for point of reference, I am using 5 pounds today. So each exercise is 45 seconds in duration with a 15-second break in between. So you guys, if you're ready to work your body, so am I. So glad that you are here to join me and here for a fabulous view. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, we're going to start with a double tap right left with alternating hammer curls. And remember, through all of these exercises, you guys, you want to keep these abdominals engaged by keeping that belly button pressed towards your spine. And just as quick, we have elevated our heart rate. Okay. This next move is a crab walk, you guys, with a lateral arm lift. Two times left, right, left, and 2 times left. There you go. You got it. One more. Excellent work. Arms down. And a gentle march. And always remember, you guys, this is your workout. If you need to modify the pace, you do exactly that. Or if lifting the knee is too much, tap it. And the arms, you can modify those as well. And on this one, we're going to stay on the left side, you guys. Kick it back, knee up and arm up. Nice work. And of course, this one also challenges your balance too, which is another thing that we work on when we exercise. Not really something we think about a lot, but we're also trying to improve our balance, which sometimes can diminish in our older years. Last one. All right. And what we did on the left, we're going to do to the right. All right, you guys, stay with me. Yes. Now, if you do need to take a break, can do exactly that. But remember, press resume. See this thing through to completion. You are stronger than you think sometimes. Okay, excellent work. Okay, the next one, get ourselves into a sumo squat. Toes turn out. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You got it. Thighs are on fire. Nice. Whew. Lock those feet in. Whew. As you can see, I'm in a squat position to keep these thighs engaged. And of course, my abs are engaged. And these arms, kick back and then pour out is what I'm talking about. So we're gonna pretend like we got bottles in our hand and we're pouring out the contents. Woo! And you guys, we have just done something here.